What's up YouTube? This is the Black Glove, and today for my first part of my first major post on this channel, I'm going to show you how to build a cheap, affordable gaming PC. Now, a lot of people have different price ranges, different things they like. You want to play Skyrim, want to play Battlefield, you don't know what to get, you don't have a lot of money, but you want maximum frame rate, you want to have the highest settings. Alright, well, start out with anything. This right here is the case. This is the Cooler Master Elite 430. Very affordable. Over here in New York at Micro Center, this is 40 bucks. That's even cheaper than Newegg. And a lot of people use Newegg, a lot of people use Tiger Direct, some people even Amazon. This right here, 40 bucks at Micro Center. I don't know what stores you have near you, but this is pretty affordable. It's a good case too. It's fairly tool free, as it says on the box. A lot of different drive bays. Bottom mount for the power supply. And it comes with like, I don't know, it comes with like 4 fans, something like that. So it's pretty good in the cooling department too. Alright, next up. Now this is the first part of the series. I'm going to have another part up. It's going to have more parts. But next up we have our power supply. This right here is a Thermaltake TR2 600 watt. You might want more power. I don't know, you might want to have a 700 watt or 650 watt. There's other brands that are also reasonable, but this one, see that tag says $65.99. I got it for about 10 bucks cheaper. Alright? I mean, your power supply is pretty important. If you don't have enough wattage, you don't have enough power going through, it's going to short out your computer pretty quick. Alright? You need to power up the motherboard, you need power for everything. Your optical drives, your hard drive, your graphics card, you're going to need it for everything. Next up, another pretty important part, processor. Now I know this is an AMD Phenom 2. This is the X4, it's a quad core. It's not the black edition, it's regular edition. Now you can see the stats up here. Try and get that to focus a little better. Now this right here will play today's games. Some people even overclock and get maximum settings, they get everything working good. So this is a good, reasonable processor. It's not an i5, it's not an i7. That's what most people like to run right now. You're going to save a lot more money with this. The tag says 129. I got this for 60. Alright, if you go on Newegg, it's somewhere around there. It's a little bit more than that, but it's somewhere around that too. So don't worry if you're going to buy online. You don't have a store near you with the same sales or whatever. And I'm going to show you the receipts later at the end of this, so you'll know what I'm talking about. Next up, the optical drive. Just a simple DVD-RW burner. This one is called, it's a Light-On, that's the brand name. It's 24X, pretty basic. It's only 20 bucks. I mean, there's a lot of other brands out there that are pretty much just as good. Samsung, LG, whatever you get, they're all around 20 bucks, nothing too crazy. Some people might want Blu-ray, they might want other stuff, but whatever. Right now we're just going for the basics. I'm going to end this first part and show you receipts for the first 4 things I bought. I got a lot more coming, so don't worry about that. The next part, we're going to have the motherboard, we're going to have the graphics card, and I'm also going to show you how to put everything together. Just to show you the prices, it's my receipt. See right here, we got the processor. I don't know if that's focusing good. $59.99. $7 for a 2-year replacement. That's good, just in case anything happens. We got the power supply. It's 55. We've got the case. It's 40 bucks right there. And then we've got the optical drive. It's on a different receipt, but right here you can see that, $19.99. Right there, that is under 200 bucks. You can see my total from this part, 175. And then that's 2172. It's under 200 bucks right there, and we've already got more than half of this. Only a couple more parts we need before we actually build it. Alright, so like I said, the next part, we're going to have the motherboard, and we're going to have the graphics card. I'll show you how to put everything together, wire it all up, and then we're going to see how it plays. Alright, thanks for watching. Be ready for part 2.